Hello, folks. We are here live today for our next series here of our Lunch and Learn series here at NexCore AI. And here we're talking about how businesses are actually using AI to drive growth in 2026. Well, I'm your host, yours truly, Will Castello, your fractional AI officer. And we're here for our next Core AI Lunch and Learn series. Listen, folks, we do this every week on Tuesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you can come here and kind of get tips and insights about how to utilize, how you can grow, just how you can scale and do certain things with your business with AI. So if you're not sure, if you want to touch up and find out, hey, some processes and find out what things you can do differently than you're doing today, this is a session you don't want to miss. It's a lunch and learn. You can have your lunch and eat and watch and learn as you go on, okay? And then also, while we do this, we also have a webinar where we get deep dive into roadmap situations on how to utilize AI a more deep and more effective way than what we're doing here at the Lunch and Learn. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. And I'm your host, and we're going to go ahead and get right on to it. So you can go ahead and enjoy your lunch and then be able to do some other things that you need to do. All right. Well, listen, folks, AI is everywhere right now, right? We all know that. You're using it. Your team is using it, and also your competitors are using it. Okay. So why are most businesses not growing? Well, I'll be honest with you. When AI blew up, I did what everyone else did. Start trying everything. I started testing tools, but nothing really changed. So yes, if that's you, then this session is for you. Okay. When I did that, I realized something, that I was using more tools, testing more features, trying to do more with AI, but nothing actually moved the business forward. So AI on its own doesn't just grow your business. In most cases, it takes time. It takes what makes already happen faster. So my question to you right now is, which of these feel most like you? So what I want you to do is drop some comments in the chat, and I would like to find out if any of these items that these questions I'm going to ask you, if any of these four reference you or feel like it is you. Are you trying tools but no real system? Question number one. Question number two, are you not sure where AI fits in your business? Question number three, getting results, but it's inconsistent. Question number four, you haven't started, but you feel behind. So if any one of those questions you feel like it's one of you, this might annoy you, but AI is not your problem. Most businesses already have access to the same AI, but the same tools, the same capabilities, and the same opportunities. So the issue isn't access, right? The issue isn't access, but what I come to a conclusion with is, here's a divide. There's a divide where the experimental things who are busy and operators who are scaling, right? The mentors, they're busy and stuck, don't know where else to do or how to implement, or you know what, I don't know what else to do with this thing here, so we're going to leave it right here. But then we have operators who are scaling utilizing AI. So my new divide is these are two types of businesses that are out here right now. So if you're experimenting, you're over here. But if you're an operator and you're actually utilizing it and scaling your business, then you're over there. Now, which side are you closer to right now? Drop that in the chat. I would like to know, which side are you at right now as we speak? Now, okay. So if you're just subscribing to tools, you've been left behind already. The gap is, it's getting wider every month. Every single month, it's getting bigger, bigger, and bigger. Why? Because now everybody's coming out with all types of stuff, right? You're having AI, you're having a done-for-you business here, done-for-you business there. Hey, we can integrate AI and show you how we can show and scale your stuff. Everybody's coming out with all kinds of stuff right now. But let's be real with yourself, folks. If nothing changes, where will your business be in the next 12 months? If nothing changes right now, where will your business be in the next 12 months? If you must use AI to drive growth in 2026, you must leave the tool first stage and then stop. Do not buy another tool, folks. Do not. What you need to do, there are three things that are non-negotiables that you need to do. Number one, you need to have a clear strategy. Number two, you need to have built-in security. And number three, you need to have systems that actually drive revenue. What you actually do, we don't sell. We don't sell tools. We build AI growth systems. So what we'll do, we'll show you, number one, where you're losing time and money. Number two, what to automate. Number three, what to ignore. And number four, what will actually drive growth. Those are four important pieces. I'm going to go back over that. We're going to show you where you're losing money and time, what to automate, what to ignore, and what will actually drive growth. So if you want to learn more about how to do this process, I'm going to put up my QR code, and I want you to book your personalized AI strategy session right now. Now, I will tell you, there are limited spots available at this rate because when that window closes, I mean, number one, the reason is there's so many people that are far-fetched over the top of the hill. Remember that group I said, are you the experimenter or are you the operator? There are a lot of people out here experimenting and they don't have a clear strategy or a clear know-how about how to do it and how to scale their business. So we only work with a few number of businesses each month. And with that, if you're serious about figuring out how AI is working or should be working in your business, you need to click on this QR code scan it, use your phone, okay? Picture, camera, scan, boom. You open it up, there's a form that pops up, you fill out the information, we'll receive it. If you're serious about this, folks, you would jump on and schedule a call with me right now, schedule a session right now, and then we will do what is called an AI growth and profit assessment. Once we do that, we will create a clear roadmap. We'll go through all your pain points. We'll figure out what you're trying to do, what you would like to see happen. And then we will do our observation on, you know what? We can do this with AI to enhance your operations. We can make you more efficient and faster by doing X, Y, Z. Then we will create a roadmap that's normally a 90-day roadmap from start to finish on what to do, how to get everything going, and then we can do it that way. But first, what we need to do is schedule that appointment so we can deep dive and get to that process. Then we can talk and go over the strategy pieces. And then we can do that AI growth and profit assessment. And then we create the roadmap on what it's going to look like for your organization to implement AI the way it needs to be. Folks, listen. I understand sometimes we have our doubts. We're scared. We don't want to implement certain things, or we just want to use ChatGPT. Folks, that's not it. ChatGPT is not utilizing AI. ChatGPT is a source to help you get documentation, letters, etc. That's not utilizing AI in your business to grow and scale. Let me make that perfectly clear, because there are a lot of people that get that misconstrued. Oh, I ask them, are you guys using AI in your business? Yeah, we all got ChatGPT. We got a license. We're using ChatGPT or we're using Copilot. And I'm sitting here like, okay. What you need to do is the next step right there. Book your session. We can show you how to create that roadmap successfully and be very successful in what you're trying to drive without all the headache. Hell, I say I'm bald. I'm bald right now, right? You don't have to go bald losing your hair, right? Trying to figure out what is the next move. We will do that for you. So click on that QR code, schedule a session. Listen, folks, we'll be back here again next week, 12 o'clock on a Tuesday for our next Lunch and Learn series. I hope to see more of you here. I'm so glad a lot of you came and saw and watched what we're talking about. And I hope this has been a great 15 minutes of your time, of your lunch period, of kind of a Lunch and Learn type series. Hey, thank you very much again, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye now.